welcome to E-Town News, जहां आपको मिलेगा डेली डोज ऑफ बॉलीवुड न्यूज, फैशन ट्रेंड्स, टीवी एंड सोशल मीडिया से जुड़े हर अपडेट. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. क्या करण जौहर एक एक्टर को फिल्में साइन करने से रोक रहे हैं? आज Zoom पर एक्सक्लूसिवली मिलिए मोगली लेजेंड ऑफ द जंगल के स्टार्स से. राधिका आप्टे की फिल्म बॉम्बेरिया का ट्रेलर हुआ लॉन्च. मुंबई में राधिका आप्टे ने लॉन्च किया अपनी अपकमिंग फिल्म बॉम्बेरिया का ट्रेलर. इस मौके पर राधिका के साथ फिल्म की बाकी स्टार कास्ट भी थी मौजूद, जिसमें सिद्धांत कपूर, अक्षय ओबरॉय, शिल्पा शुक्ला जैसे एक्टर्स शामिल थे. राधिका इस मिस्ट्री कॉमेडी में एक पब्लिसिस्ट का रोल प्ले कर रही हैं. फिल्म के बारे में राधिका ने बात करते हुए कुछ ये कहा.
इसमें ऐसे किरदार है जिनके साथ हम सब एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं. इसमें सिटी जो है हमारा जो शहर है उसके बारे में एक बहुत उसको देखने का एक बहुत फ्रेश अप्रोच है. और ये बहुत बहुत एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म है. और एक्चुअली थोड़ी नॉट थ्रिलर इज नॉट द राइट वर्ड, बट आप देखते रहोगे कि क्या हो रहा है और कहाँ जा रहे हैं, मिस्ट्री क्या है, तो दैट कीप्स यू गोइंग.
राधिका ने पहली बार कॉमेडी जॉनर की फिल्म की है और उनका मानना है कि ऑडियंस को ये फिल्म जरूर पसंद आएगी.
You know, there are jokes and there are certain moments which are funny, which certain characters are participating in. But what I mean to say is that why I said she's not funny is because actually it's a very intense character, and so what's going on in her life is extremely intense and extremely tragic and traumatic in many ways. So it's very agitated, very anxious, very hyper person because what's going on is very, very urgent in her life.
Well, we hope राधिका की इस नए अवतार को ऑडियंस का मिले फुल रिस्पॉन्स. For संदेश अगाटे, Zoom, Mumbai.
We're at the world premiere of Mowgli in Mumbai. I think it's a great honor. It's fantastic. Of course, we have the world famous international actor. I don't think he's only Indian, he's everywhere. Mr. Anil Kapoor. Anil, I think when we saw the trailer, like you were discussing, it's got so many new, layers to the characters. It's so fierce, it's powerful. I'm sure मजा आया करने में इस तरह की चीज़. बताइए.
नहीं, ये मज़े के साथ साथ इट वाज वेरी एजुकेटिव ऑल्सो, और बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला मुझे, क्योंकि पहली बार इस तरह का मैं किरदार कर रहा था, और एक भालू का किरदार, एक बल्लू का किरदार, और जो डायरेक्टर हैं उन्होंने ये किरदार निभाया है अंग्रेज़ी वर्जन में. तो काफ़ी मुझे उसमें भी काफ़ी मदद मिली कि उनका मैं अगर कहीं ना कहीं मैं अटक जाता था कि मैं कैसे करूं इसे, तो मैं उनकी आवाज़ सुनता जिस तरह उन्होंने किया है, क्योंकि हमें इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है ये सब चीज़ें करने का. मैंने एक आध दो फिल्में की हैं, मगर ये एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अनमोल था.
Bilkul. And I must say that you were trending once your look was out. Bagheera is also here with us.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Bagheera and Balu are together, and even in the in the film, they have this moment where they there's great chemistry between the two of them, because both of them sort of mentors to this person, but they have different ways to do it. I think वही मजा आया होगा. You sort of got this जुगलबंदी going. There's one particular scene especially. Did you have fun?
What I really liked about both the characters is they're both friends, and they both know their responsibility towards Mowgli, and they share that love for Mowgli. And there's a deep understanding between the two of them of what is good for Mowgli. So it's a far more mature look at the relationship. If you see the original cartoon, it's more fun-loving, but in this one it's more serious, it's more adult, it's more grown-up, it's more mature. And it was nice because we got to interpret the characters in a different way to what Indian audiences are used to seeing them.
You know, the most difficult scene for me to dub was that there is a scene between Bagheera and what do I call it? Balu? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Baloo. And I the only time I really took time was that scene where both of us, there's that conflict.
There's a conflict and argument.
It reminded me of Diwar and Ram Lakshman.
That's what I like about it. We brought a full Bollywood twist to everything. Yeah, we liked it.
It's exciting because we have the beautiful Ka with Kareena Kapoor Khan. I mean, it sort of goes also. See how amazingly it's in your name.
Yeah, I guess so. I think it's a perfect character somehow, I feel.
Yeah.
And I think even I can't believe it that, you know, finally I'm part of a timeless classic, which is like something that, you know, I think all of us have grown up watching.
Absolutely.
It's so much a part of our youth.
You know, very interesting thing that Christian told was like his wife keeps telling me, you find it a film, I can watch it with my family and always preserve it. Is something like this that you also think about? Because when Taimur probably grows up and this will be one film to say, you know what, who's that? That's your mom. Like
Yeah,
that's.
I mean, of course, because I think both Saif and me are huge fans of the Jungle Book. And I think it's, like I said, you know, every child has their, you know, Mowgli moment, their Jungle Book moment. It's an emotional journey. So I think every young adult has to go through that. And Jungle Book has to be a part of it. Mowgli has to be a part of it. So I think, I'm sure with Taimur also it'll be the same case.
Yeah, I'm sure he's going to be very, very excited. But tell me, I mean, when you have to sort of, you know, you obviously everybody's done their own version of sexiness and seduction and all of that. But to do something like this, it's a little complicated because she's this conniving character. What did you sort of, what was going through your head when you were like, what should I sort of channelize?
Yeah, you know, I mean, I wouldn't even say conniving because I think that she's probably like more convincing and very, very powerful. She's hypnotic because she, in a way, kind of has to be like a guiding force to Mowgli, you know, to take him right through the end, you know, his entire journey of self-discovery. I think it's her voice that kind of has to really, you know, make him do that. So I wouldn't even say like it's, you know, conniving. I would just say that, you know, Kaa is extremely powerful.
And so what did you sort of channelize?
I mean, I think, you know, when you hear the voice, it sounds more dramatic. You know? It's because it has to be. She has to sound like she's the voice of the jungle, literally. So she has to kind of sound like that. And I enjoyed doing it because I actually had to perform it behind the mic rather than, you know, just kind of voice the dialogue. So it was actually like performing on stage for me.
क्या करण जौहर एक एक्टर को फिल्म साइन करने से रोक रहे हैं? कौन है ये एक्टर जिसके करियर पर करण दे रहे हैं पूरा ध्यान? तो आपको बता दें, ये एक्टर कोई और नहीं बल्कि राजी और संजू जैसी फिल्मों में अपने शानदार काम की वजह से ऑडियंस के दिल में अपनी अलग जगह बनाने वाले विकी कौशल हैं। जैसा कि आपको पता है कि विकी करण जौहर के धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की मल्टी स्टारर फिल्म तख्त का हिस्सा है, जिसे खुद करण डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं। सोर्सेज की माने तो करण ने ऑलमोस्ट विकी को अपने विंग्स में ले लिया है। अपेरेंटली करण विकी को दूसरे प्रोडक्शन हाउस की मूवीज साइन करने से रोक रहे हैं। सोर्सेज ये भी बता रहे हैं कि करण नहीं चाहते कि विकी को उनकी नॉट सो पॉपुलर गर्लफ्रेंड हरलीन सेठी के साथ पापराजी स्पॉट करें। लगता है कि करण विकी के काम से काफी इम्प्रेस्ड हैं और उन्हें अपनी धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की स्टार लिस्ट में ऐड करना चाहते हैं। For संदेश अगाटे, Zoom, मुंबई। रणवीर सिंह और दीपिका पादुकोण ने रिसेंटली मुंबई में अपने स्पेशल गेस्ट्स और मीडिया के अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए होस्ट किया था एक शानदार रिसेप्शन और अब इस रिसेप्शन के इनसाइड वीडियोस सामने आए हैं, जिसमें रणवीर सिंह कुछ इस तरह अपनी हैप्पीनेस को कर रहे हैं एक्सप्रेस। इस वीक रिलीज हो गई है रजनीकांत और अक्षय कुमार स्टारर 2.0, जिसके रिव्यू में फिल्म क्रिटिक तरन आदर्श ने इस फिल्म को बताया है ब्लॉकबस्टर। एक्टर अनिल कपूर 60 की एज में भी दिखते हैं काफी स्टाइलिश, और क्या है उनका फिटनेस सीक्रेट? लेट्स टेक अ लुक। तो जहां अनिल रनिंग के साथ रखते हैं खुद को फिट और एनर्जेटिक, वहीं कृति खरबंदा ने अपने एक्सरसाइज रूटीन में शामिल किया है पोल डांस को। क्रिकेटर महेंद्र सिंह धोनी अक्सर फ्री टाइम में सोशल मीडिया पर शेयर करते हैं डॉटर जीवा के वीडियोस, और अब धोनी ने शेयर किया है डॉटर जीवा का ये लेटेस्ट वीडियो, जिसमें जीवा धोनी को विश कर रही हैं ग्रीटिंग्स।
नल्ला है क्या?
तो वहीं क्रिकेट लेजेंड सचिन तेंदुलकर ने भी अपने रीसेंट राजस्थान विजिट के ग्लिम्सेस इंस्टाग्राम पर किए हैं शेयर। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, ज़ूम मुंबई।
चला तो मेरे पीछे पीछे।
So for today's Fashion Friday, हम बात करेंगे about the high on glam, glimmering and glitzy trend, sequins and glitter. With the festive and party season right around the corner, ये trend है for those who want to shine bright like a diamond at parties. This rock and roll trend from the 70s is bringing back the disco era. हमारी बॉलीवुड फैशनिस्टास भी इस अल्ट्रा ग्लैमरस ट्रेंड में कई बार चमकते हुए दिखी हैं. So if you are looking to try this trend, then take a cue from these Bollywood celebrities who have stepped their feet into some serious glitter. Zero के ट्रेलर लॉन्च के लिए sizzling Katrina कैफ दिखी एक silver sequin slip dress में. To give a more casual vibe to the dress, she layered it with a denim jacket. कटरीना के साथ जीरो के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे अनुष्का शर्मा ने भी पहना सीक्वेंस. अनुष्का दिखी एक शिमरी मिडी ड्रेस में. She styled the dress with a pair of white heels, minimal makeup and a high ponytail. Priyanka Chopra seems to be a big fan of this trend too. She has been seen rocking blingy looks for numerous appearances and events. एक recent red carpet event पे प्रियंका ने पहना एक strapless gown. This sexy number had round metallic discs all over it with a thigh-high slit. At a fashion show appearance with beau Nick Jonas, Priyanka wore a turtleneck houndstooth Ralph Lauren gown. For a red carpet event, Kareena Kapoor Khan was seen wearing a heavily beaded gown by Naeem Khan. The colorful gown had sequins that formed an Aztec print. Kareena kept the styling of this plunging neckline gown minimal with clean makeup and no accessories. Sonakshi Sinha दिखी असली सोने के जैसे चमकती हुई in her turtleneck bodycon gown for a red carpet event. She wore her hair up in a sleek bun and let the gown be the star of this look. Kangana Ranaut is never afraid to experiment with her style. For the wrap party of Manikarnika, she wore a sequin dress. The gold dress had ruffles and embroidery on the hem. Retro curls added an old-world charm to this look. For her appearance at the Cannes Film Festival too, Kangana picked a classic black sequin Sabyasachi sari, giving the sequin trend a desi twist. India's sweetheart Alia Bhatt rocked sequins जब वो दिखी Karan Johar के talk show Coffee with Karan पे. She looked pretty in a strapless glittering gown that had star motifs on it. The hem of the dress had cool fringes which looked young and fresh. तो इस पार्टी सीजन अगर आप भी करेंगे glitter and sequin trend को try, then style it with muted makeup and minimal accessories, just like our Bollywood divas. So ये था हमारा आज का fashion segment. If you wish to follow similar trends, you can shop for similar styles on Myntra. Coming up on the show, टीवी की बहुओं का हॉट अवतार हुआ वायरल. देख लीजिए टीवी स्टार आशिका गोराडिया का हॉट एंड बोल्ड अवतार. आशिका अपने बर्थडे पर मालदीव्स में एंजॉय कर रही हैं और इस खास मौके पर उन्होंने अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट पर एक बिकिनी पिक्चर पोस्ट की है जिसमें वो लग रही हैं बेहद हॉट एंड ग्लैमरस. And her post reads out, "Happy birthday Ashika, live your 30s like 20s." दूसरी तरफ टीवी स्टार करिश्मा तन्ना भी अपने कूल एंड कैजुअल लुक में लग रही हैं काफी ग्लैमरस. तो अपनी बोल्ड अदाओं के लिए फेमस करिश्मा शर्मा ने अपने हॉट अवतार से एक बार फिर सुर्खियां बना दी हैं. करिश्मा अपने बोल्ड अवतार की वजह से अक्सर खबरों में रहती हैं. टेक अ लुक.
are at the launch of Le Ja Re and we have with us Dhwani Bhanushali and Vinay ji. Firstly, congratulations Dhwani. You know, a great song. आप अच्छी लग रही हैं and your song, your voice is also really amazing in the song. How was your experience giving playback to it first of all, because it's a song of Shreya Ghoshal which we all know and remember and love. कुछ आपको pressure था, any nervousness before doing it?
I was nervous for sure, but there was no pressure. Because if you take pressure, you will never be able to perform. So I think I'm a big Shreya Ghoshal fan, and of course it was in my head that how am I going to do it, but I never took a lot of pressure off it. कि अरे यार मैं ये कैसे करूँ, ये कभी नहीं था. मुझे बस मेरे वे में उसको पोर्ट्रे करना था और मैंने किया और I think वो अच्छे से हुआ और आपको पसंद आया.
How did the whole song come around and can you tell us the story?
So basically we were gonna chalk it down to the garam chai ki pyali ho, but I don't know, somehow it got like we didn't do it, and then Le Ja Re came into the picture, and then it kind of matched the vibe and everything, and then the track was made and I sang it and then it was done.
Vinay ji, कैसा था experience, and Dhwani, as we all know, is an amazing singer. हमने देखा है काफी गानों में. ये गाने पे अलग कितना experience रहा shoot करने का?
Times have changed, so earlier we used to direct songs with models featuring in it and all that. I don't think audience wants to see the singers, who have sung the song now. They want to see the voice reciting it. So when we saw her, we said, I think, yeah, she's great stuff, and she'll look good in video, and she'll be able to. She's got great voice. So it was all started from there.
We know that you have a lot of inspirations down west also, but अगर India की बात करें तो who are your inspirations?
Shreya Ghoshal, Arijit Singh, Sonu Nigam sir. I just try to take everything good from every singer and every artist that there is and imbibe into myself and give it out. That's all I do.
Also, everyone was mentioning the song Dilbar. We all know how hugely popular it has become. कैसा था, like, was it overwhelming for you, the response that it has got, the kind of response that it has got?
It's very overwhelming for me because I never thought, I just did a scratch for Dilbar for Tanish. So first of all, getting that song also was like, I never thought I would get it, because there was Neha Kakkar also singing it. And then finally they put both of us together, and that itself was very shocking to me that, okay, now I have a film song. I was very excited.
Thank you so much, Dhwani. All the best. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.